Hello and welcome. So this is a video for challenge 4. Challenge 4 is building the embedded system. So the main focus of the challenge 4 is write a code that can detect which system is plug in and then run the right program for that system. So let's go back to all the three code. So we have challenge 1, we have pick and play. Turn two is sorting. Turn three is dispenser, and you can note that all the three challenge by the same pattern. So it have the main function here. So and it gonna call the class assigned to uh, program variable and then call the run sequence function. So now extend the class here. We can see all the program, all the code here, and then we have the uh, run sequence function. It's gonna uh, do the job, run the sequence. Same thing with the sorting code. We have run sequence here to run all the step, and then the dispenser. Yeah. So in all the class, we have initial, operation initial, reset, pin setup, or the property, function, and run sequence. And challenge 4, we have to know which system we plug in the SRED zero boy plugin, and then we run the exact program. So I know that in the challenge 1, the input 5 is always on. The input 5 is the home position, and if the input 5 is active, that means we are in the pick and place system. And I noted in the challenge 2, the uh, input 10 is the sensor inductor sensor, and it always on when it detect the middle object is off. So you do that to you need to you need to input. I can detect which system we plug it in. So if the so there is a thing you know that you not here because somehow that in the pick and place system all the input is inverted. So that's why I put not here. So if yeah if the input 5 is active, then run the program ID1, and then if the input 10 is active, then run the program 2, and then if not, you're gonna run the program 3. And then after we detected which system we will run, we have to the init inputs. So if we not doing it, the program gonna crash. And here is if the program ID is one, you're gonna load the pick and play code and then call the uh, pick and place class. The same thing with the sorting. If the program ID two, then load the sorting code and then call the sorting class. And then the last one is the dispenser. We load the dispenser code and then call the class. And same pattern. We're gonna loop and call the run sequence because all three the three class have the same function called sequence, and that's how it work. Thank you.